We started our trip by meeting up with a friend in Borrego and headed to the Salton Sea. First stop, North Shores Yacht Club. Fun fact, it opened in 1959 as part of a $2 million development. Bombay Beach. This is where artists donate their time and talents, and you can see their creativity along the beach. Welcome to Bombay Beach Estates. You will certainly find some unique housing in this area. As we traveled on, we went to Slab City. This is somewhere that I have always wanted to go. It looks a little bit like Road Warriors. Do you remember that movie? Slab City is concrete slabs from World War II Marine Corps Camp Dunlap. It is turned into a squatters community for people that want to live off the grid. Salvation Mountain. This is awesome. This is where I wanted to go. Leonard Knight started building the mountain in 1984. He passed away in 2013. Here's a fun fact. It took 100,000 buckets of paint to paint this unique mountain. And this is Obsidian Butte. These are lava domes. Obsidian was used by the Indians for making their arrowheads. 2,000 to 3,000 year old volcanic domes that largely consist of pumice and black obsidian. This is one of our last stops on our trip, but we have one more stop left. Okay, you can't go to Borrego without checking out the metal art. We call this Prickle and Pokey. Get it? Well, back home. Now it's time to clean up the mess. Thank you for joining us. Look forward to our next adventure.